All right, guys, so today I'm visiting my friend Thomas, and we got a little project here, and we are going to I guess let's go ahead and show you. So this is a 1991 Mazda Miata Spec race car, and yeah, this is going to be coming to the channel. Yeah, it's a little rough, you know, well used race car scars, but yeah. You want to tell me a little bit about it?
Well, it was maintained by Gashead Motorworks in Houston, Texas, and then we brought it out here to Virginia, and was going to start running Spec Miata, then found Champ Series, and then figured that's where we're going to end up next.
Yep. So a lot of you guys may not know this, but me and him actually met when I was in Texas, and we did a lot of autocrossing and stuff together. So he hit me up when he bought this and asked me if I wanted to co-drive with him. We're gonna try and do some endurance racing and, you know, just local track days and stuff. So should be fun. I mean, it's a little beat up, but you know, race cars aren't pretty. So yeah, we got full cage, you know, track data stuff. I mean, it needs a little bit of cleaning up, a little bit of work, but you know, we got time. I think it'll be good. What do you think?
I can't wait.
Can't wait. Yeah, should be fun. You want to go ahead and start it up and get a little sound? Got the keys? Maybe. The keys are in it. So jumping it now. Need a new battery. It needs some work. Like I said, we got to do all the fluids, new brakes and tires and stuff to get it track prepped. But over the next couple months, we're going to work on that. And here we go. Already took it around the block a little bit. Runs good. It's just loud. We're gonna have to get a muffler for it. See, we got all this stuff here. Got the power cut off, roll cage. There's an extra bar that comes across down there that matches up. Yeah. Like I said, needs work, but yeah, runs good. Low RPM, that's all right. Definitely gonna have to get a muffler for that. Yeah. All right, you're good. Good. So yeah. Ah, look, now we can hear. Yeah, so I drove it earlier. Needs to do some stuff. Pedals need adjustment. Like I said earlier, new brakes. But yeah, should be running strong. Should have it on the road, or not on the road, on the track here in a little bit. Maybe a couple months. Maybe aim for a track day in, what do you think, July? Maybe. Probably safe bet July.
First track day, just sort everything out.
Yeah. So it should be good. And then try and hit a few track days, whether it be we're gonna try Dominion Raceway. Yep. Hi. So whether it be Dominion Raceway, we're gonna try VIR, Summit Point, do a few of those, try and get the car shaken down, make sure we got everything fixed, and then it was December, right?
December
for the champ car or chump car endurance race at VIR. So that was an 8-hour race.
Yep.
8-hour race. So that should be fun. We're gonna probably need to find a third driver. I don't know if we could handle
now accepting applications.
Now accepting applications. I don't know if we could handle 8 hours on the road or racing. Yeah, but
2.
Yeah, but still, even then, I don't know. And maybe build our way up. Oh, we got some hooligans down the street. All right, guys. Well, that's a new project, so will be more content to come on that soon. Anything you want to add?
Nope. Just
No?
can't wait to get back out there.
Yep. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and have a great day. All right, so we're got it fired up. We're gonna take it for a quick rip. If you can even hear me right now, you might not be able to, but I'll adjust the sound. Don't worry. Headphone users beware. We got this too. Yeah, it's very loud. It's so loud I'm almost afraid to get on it. It's definitely going to need a muffler. But it's fun though. Sure is fun.